Hi everyone! So first of all, I wanted to thank you very much for all the support you've been giving us those last days. It's been cheering us up a lot, and we're glad that many people commented and shared what we presented. Also, as you can see, we're at my place. I decided to change the setup a little bit to make it more comfy, and also it's kind of my way to say to cheer everybody that is still in quarantine those days. Uh, yeah, the COVID-19 is still not gone, sadly, and but this situation is gonna come to an end very soon, we hope. And today I'm going to present you an amazing product. It's a tool used to change springs in pliers or scissors on a Swiss Army knife. It's a kind of special product because yet I haven't seen any video presenting that product, so I guess many of you are going to be interested in that. So let's start. Here are the boxes. This is the special tool. Here are the products, and I wanted to show you how to change the springs from the Huntsman Navy Camouflage. I think it's quite a beautiful knife. And here is the tool. It comes with a little booklet that explains you step by step how to replace the springs. I'm gonna let it aside. And the tool comes in a wooden box like that. So let's open it. Voila! You have 3 different tools. This one is used for all knives that are 0.62, 0.37. If you don't know about that, it's the code. It's the code of each Swiss Army knife. So this one is for the smaller ones. This one is for the bigger ones, 1.37 and follow, and 0.65. The Huntsman is a 1.37. It's exactly the 1.37, 13.942, 942. That's the last 942 is for the Navy Camouflage, and the other numbers are for the Huntsman. So these are the tools. This is another tool. I'm going to explain to you what it is used for. You've got a bunch of extra springs. Here are the springs for the classic ones. The springs for the executives, these ones. This one, well, for the climbers, huntsman, and so on, for the bigger ones. And these ones for the very bigger ones. So, this is quite hefty, and this is going to be used to remove the spring. It's the key object that we are gonna need. So you put it down like that, Then I'm gonna pull out the scissors. As you can see, those ones are not broken, but for the video purposes, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you take your scissors and you turn them 90 degrees. Actually, you might want to turn it this side. And you see, here it fits perfectly for the knife. And you press on this. Here, I don't know if you can see, making a close-up, you can press on this tool. So you press on this and you fix your knife like that. Now it's not moving too much. Then I'm going to use the red tool. You've got two fixations. You've got one darker one, dark gray one, and a bigger one. The bigger one is used to fix back the spring, and this one is used to remove the spring. So now I'm going to remove it. You put it this way and then tap. You can use your hands or whatever. Now it's removed. I'm gonna press on this again. As you can see, I removed the spring. Now this is the knife without any spring, so when you press, it's not going back, obviously. And now I'm going to put it back, so clip again, fix your knife, release. And then what you want to do is use this tool to release the gear a little bit. It's gonna open the metal so you can put the spring back, the new one. I'm actually not going to use a new spring because this one is not broken. So you put it back, keep it this way with your finger, and don't use the darker tool, use the metal gray one. You go like that. As you can see, the spring goes perfectly on the pick of the tool, like so. And you go back on your knife and tap to put it back, and it automatically went the right angle. So now normally it's going to be back on. Yeah, and it's working perfectly fine again. Also, we are selling packs with extra springs. Each pack is designed to fit any kind of knife you have. So I'm going to put the link in description so that you can get your pack with new springs. And also it's got other tools like the pen. Most of the time we lose the toothpick, or maybe the tweezers are broken, so you might want to change them. Yep. So here it is. I love this navy blue camouflage. So here it is for this tool. On with the fixations. As you can see, it's really nicely designed because here there's a space to put the tools back in the box. and this one in the center. So voila! Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hi, Kurt.